And then break this down to. Good. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 times 3 times A times A times A. So I list them all out. Prime factors. Then I have 2 times 2 times A. Now, the book says to write the prime factorizations, use each factor with the greatest number of times appears.
Or the camera didn't get it for your finger.
I swear to God.
Why would she call this one?
Because I don't know.
She probably think it's on his math class.
Okay.
She probably
Write
doesn't
each
get
factor
the
with the greatest number of times. So I
Maybe
have
she didn't get the
2,
memo.
but I have it 3 times here. Each factor with the greatest number of times. I have 3, and I have 3 A's. So the GCF is actually 24, 8, and 3. Now that I found the
think I
GCF,
can
I'll
move
be able
this
to
to strangers.
change denominators.
I think we're.
So I'll show you how this works on the top of the next page. It says the LCM of denominators is also called the least common denominator, or LCD. You can use the same method to add or subtract rational expressions.
It's almost back to normal.
So to do this, you've got to find the least common denominator and use the least common denominator before you add or subtract. So this is the example they give. It looks like this. Okay, I can't add these because they have different denominators. Right, so I got to list them out, list the prime factors out, and find out what the common denominator is. Well, if you have 6 and 4, what would you use? I was thinking 24, but you could use 12. And if you had x squared and x, well, 12 is the least common multiple. Right? If I just have this, let's say I have just 4 and 6, and I'm trying to add fractions. Wouldn't I use 12? Yeah, or 24, but if you did 24. Right, so 12 is the least common denominator. So you list all the prime factors, like this, and you use each one the greatest number of times. So I have 2 and 3 and an x. Here's the greatest number of 2. Here's the greatest number of 3. Here's the greatest number of x's. Each number the greatest number of times. Yeah, earlier in the year we did this. So I have 2 times 2 times 3 times x times x. So what's the LCD? 2 times 2 times 3. Good.
She's sleeping the plus on her belly button. Put the ring out now. There's a big old bubble plus. You should Imani squeezing out. And I recorded it.
Alright, now I have my LCD. Now I can convert these. How do I get from 6x squared to 12x
She just
squared?
don't want nobody to see. She don't want nobody else to see. Y'all can wait till after the video. It's blurred in first because she want me to record it. And put down YouTube. She gonna put that YouTube. But it's a lot. And zip open.
Alright, so you're right. If I get from
You want to see how much will
6x
come out?
squared to 12x squared, I gotta multiply by 2.
So that's 6x.
Good. Now how do I get from 4x to 12x squared?
Multiply by
3x. Right, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 3x to get
So
there.
that's
6x squared. Good. Now I can add them. 6x squared and 6x are not like terms. So it's 6x squared plus 6x over 12x squared. Now we can try to factor some stuff out. Simplify it. The book shows you how to take out 6x. And you would have x plus 1. And it shows you how to take out 6x.
Wait, the ones at the new holder though. It was on the phone now.
So that'd be the answer.
Here's the answer. If you get here, that's good.
No, I'm pushing it.
This part's a little more difficult with that.
It was on the phone.
Okay, one more problem, and that's subtracting unlike denominators. So remember, the first step would be to find a common denominator and then change it. So if I have 1 over n minus 3 minus 5 over 3 minus n.
You gotta divide by -1.
Mr. Howard?
Yeah, exactly.
no, we ain't.
Switch these around and then take out -1. So if I have 1 over n minus 3 minus, I'm going to turn these around. Okay, all I do is reverse these.
I'm listening, but I ain't watching.
Pardon me?
I said I'm listening, but I'm not watching.
Right, now, I'm close. If I take out -1,
Weirdos.
now I can multiply this one by -1 to get this denominator. Right? Look,
Something home today.
if I multiply the top and bottom by -1 over -1,
She said
But then
that
if we
Somehow.
for something funny. She had pockets full of alcohol. She had pockets full of gloves, so she couldn't get no alcohol pads. And then she was like, "So maybe I try getting some, if you remember." So I told her this morning, get a bunch of alcohol pads.
okay, I get 1 over n minus 3 minus, what's 5 times -1?
4. I mean, -5.
-5, and then -1 times -1 is just n minus 3. And now, 1
I was thinking
minus
of 5
-5
minus
is
4.
like 1 plus
5
5.
minus -1.
Alright, so
Negative
find a common
5.
denominator. Change them, yeah, the book does it a little different, I think.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is that all?
Alright,
No.
goal today is just the A side.
Get some more.
This one hopefully is a little bit easier than the A side yesterday.
He's coming.
Pick up the phone.